Welcome to the course again. So guys, in this lecture we're gonna discuss about Go features. So guys, let's start with one by one. First is Go is very simple and modern. Guys, Go syntax is similar to C, but it is much cleaner, concise compared to C. Like it doesn't have header file, it has a package, it has an import, and apart from there are a lot of features which makes Go simple, easy to read and concise. So we will discuss all the things. And next is modern. So why Go is modern? Let's discuss this. Guys, nearly 1 decade there is not too much gain in raw processing power, but the computation has been increased a lot. So guys, you can see in today's world we are dealing with a lot of data. For that we have a big data, for that we have data science. To maintain huge data, the solution is we have to manage huge hardware, but practically it is not possible. Maintaining a huge hardware costs a lot. So that's why what hardware manufacturers are doing, they are adding more cores to the process to increase the processing power. That's why we are seeing i5, i7, i9. So guys, in future also hardware manufacturer will add more and more cores to mark up to the performance, and more on today's application using microservices for maintaining DB, managing queues. Software or programming language should support concurrency easily, and that should be scalable with increasing number of cores. Though most of the modern programming language like Java, Python, they support multi-threading, but creating multi-threading applications on those languages is very difficult. So I'm giving you one example. If we create a thread in Java, it will consume approximately 1 MB of heap memory size. It is not memory efficient. We need a language which handles such scenario, which makes concurrency easy. The answer is Go. So guys, Go released in 2008 when multiprocessor was already available. That's why Go is built with keeping concurrency in mind. That's why I told Go is modern. Go started as a system language. Lot of company uses to build a system level application like Docker, Kubernetes. So due to its popularity, now it became a general purpose programming language. Now most of the people, they started writing their API microservices on Go programming language. It has 25 keywords, lesser than C, lesser than Java. Go is cross-platform, that means it can run on any operating system, any machine. Go is a compiler-based language. Go compiler is very fast. It can easily process a large Go applications within a second. Go codes compiles into native machine code. Hence we don't need any interpreter or need of any environment such as JVM. Go is a strongly typed language like Java. It is a static type, follows strictly, that means we cannot assign a float into an integer variable. Next is type inference. It's a beautiful concept. Suppose I'm assigning 5.5 into a, so the compiler will automatically identify, okay, so this variable will contain only float value. I'm assigning 5 to B, okay, the compiler will automatically identify type of the V each integer. So guys, this is a short declarations. We will discuss a lot after few sessions. Go is object oriented. Doesn't have a class, but with the help of struct we can make Go as a object oriented. We will discuss a lot about concurrency. So guys, these are few features of Golang, and we will discuss few more features once we start. And this is for today's session. In the next session we will install Golang into our machine. So guys, I will see you in the next session.